Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a verified Roblox account, and two-step authentication. Next, join the Flee the Facility beta group or event. This unlocks invites and keys. Once done, open the game client and accept any group or event prompts. Make sure to be in the correct server region for lower ping. You need to be ready to act quickly because keys issue in waves. Keep your inventory and settings visible. This speeds up recognizing the beta key when it appears. You watch the lobby and group notifications for the key distribution announcement. When the key appears, the game gives an in-game prompt. Click the key icon or accept claim immediately. Timing matters. If you're queued, remain in the lobby and avoid switching servers because that can invalidate your claim. Once claimed, confirm the key shows in your inventory or group listings. If the key doesn't appear, retry the claim procedure quickly. Repeated attempts during the distribution window often succeed. You finalize by redeeming the key in your inventory or on the group page, then launch the beta build to verify access. Once redeemed, test game features to confirm everything unlocked. If the key doesn't register, restart the game and check your group membership. Make sure caches are cleared. As a troubleshooting tip, if issues persist, take screenshots of your claim and event timestamps. Then contact the developer or Roblox support. Provide clear evidence so they can resolve key delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.